The Tether Tools JerkStopper for cable management. Here's the packaging. This is what a JerkStopper does. I'll do a demonstration with my camera. Tether Tools had this product out for a long time. I bought this, not this one I'm holding in my hand, but I bought a JerkStopper way back in the late 2009 or 2008, around there, and I was using it because at the time I was shooting primarily video on DSLRs, and I needed a secure connection for HDMI cables, and I thought that this was going to be good for HDMI cables. I think it can technically work, but at the time I found that it wasn't the best solution for securing HDMI cables. But this is for tethering when you're using Lightroom or Capture One and you're tethering to a laptop computer. Here's a Tether Tools cable. I'm going to connect. This is a EOS R. So let's see. Let's read the instructions. Do this live here. Well, for one thing, it can detach this part. This is a very cheap plastic. I thought they would improve the quality of the plastic, but I don't think this will last too long if I'm rough with it. Place U-cap over top of cable and locking teeth. Slide U-cap across cable into locking teeth. Secure down U-cap in middle of locking teeth. Okay, that seems pretty simple. Is that it? Okay, yeah, that's it. This is not the prettiest way to secure it, but it works. What happens is on this side where the cable is going to be pulled, as I'm pulling it, it pulls on the Tether JerkStopper before it pulls on the connection point in the camera. It won't work if I snag inside here, but usually the times that cables get pulled is from somebody steps on it. So in that case, this will stop it. I haven't seen other products that are like this out there besides Tether Tools. I wonder if Tether Tools had patented this design, so there's no third party that makes this. I wonder if you know of another company that makes something like this product that's not from Tether Tools. Leave a comment below and help me out, because I would like to get more of these, because I would like to compare it to different products to see if this is the best one. Because this it's practical, but looks a little messy.